Hi, I'm Brad Jones with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. And today we're here to talk about buying a home with a rental unit. So what is a rental unit? A rental unit can either be a legal 2-unit property, front house and a back house, attached side-by-side duplex, or even upstairs, downstairs, but a legal 2-unit property, or it could be a single-family home with an accessory dwelling unit. An ADU is something that has become more and more popular over the last couple of years. These are separate units behind a legal single-family house that can be separately rented if you so desire. These are often used for extended family. They used to be called mother-in-law units, but now in most cities, they are rentable as a separate unit, which would allow you to derive some extra income from that property. So what are the benefits of buying a home with a rental unit? Well, obviously it will help offset your mortgage. Perhaps that would allow you to get into a neighborhood that you couldn't otherwise qualify for, or just help offset your monthly expenses. There are some things that you would like to keep in mind when considering a home with a rental property. Most of these have to do with financing. A single-family house with an accessory dwelling unit will typically qualify for standard conventional financing. This may come with standard down payment requirements, maybe as low as 5%, and more competitive interest rates. If you're looking at a legal 2-unit property or duplex, there may be higher down payment requirements, and the interest rate for those loans may be slightly higher. Our recommendation would be to talk to an experienced local lender to explore all your financing options and determine what is best for you, and also talk to an experienced local realtor who could help guide you to the properties that might most closely meet your needs. If you have any questions about buying a home with a rental property, or need referrals to a lender who could help you with that process, please give us a call.